Hi guys, it's Krystal Lee Moore Lucier here, also known as your home sweet home 519 realtor, Krystal Lee Moore. And I'm here to talk to you about decluttering. So decluttering your life, maybe, but this is more about decluttering your home sweet home. So let's dive right in because I don't know about you, but sometimes when you walk around your house, it just feels like a lot of work. There's a lot of work to do. And when you go to a hotel, there's not much there. When you go into new listings, there's not much there. But how we list is not how we live. So let's just talk about making how we live a little bit easier. So assess each room. Take a pen and paper, old school, and go room by room and take a look. If you were going to walk into a room and you had to give someone advice on how to make it look bigger or brighter, we do this all the time with our stagers for listings. What would you suggest? Is there anything that maybe doesn't need to be there or doesn't need to be out? Because sometimes it can just be a lot of stuff that's just been there and we keep piling up and it's just everywhere. So that's the assessment. Do that for every room and give every room its own page. So once you've done that, get a box or a bin. So you can go and get some bins or grab some boxes, put them in each room and kind of take every item you have. If it's something that's really important, if you need it there, leave it. If you don't need it there, it can go one of two places. It can go into the someone else could use this bin, or it can go into the I'm going to use it one day, but not today bin. That bin is going to go into storage. The other bin is going to be donated. We'll get there. And then there might be a bag for stuff that's garbage that really it's time for it to go. So there is a kind of a cool, I don't know if it's still on Netflix, but Marie Kondo was very popular years ago. And it was all about like taking every item and saying, does it bring me joy? And if it doesn't bring you joy, off it goes. But maybe it can bring someone else joy. I don't know. Okay. So the room by room, you're going now. You know what's being thrown out, you know what's being donated, you know what's being put away in storage. And then you just have to hope you have enough storage space because what we don't want you to have to do is get a storage container just for all of your extra stuff that you don't need. So maybe someone else can use it. I once had a client, bless her heart, she had 3 crock pots. And she said, I might need 3 crock pots. And that at the time made sense to me. So I immediately went home and started decluttering because I realized that you probably don't need 3 crock pots. And together we got through it. So search for donation locations. So this is kind of cool. So there's a lot of different places. So Facebook has these buy nothing sites. So BUY nothing. And they have them per neighborhood. So this is kind of a big trend where people, instead of just buying things and adding to waste, it's like, let's just share. Something's pretty cool. I've only used it to get rid of stuff so far, but you can actually find stuff there instead of shopping immediately. Check it out. So buy nothing. You can look. There's I think one for every neighborhood. And if your neighborhood doesn't have one, you can start one. It's exciting. So that's buy nothing. There's also Goodwill. There's a lot of drives right now for clothing and food always. Even furniture, like Habitat for Humanity will take it. We have a place which is like a teen challenge store near us, and they take a lot of used items as well. So there's always people that will take it. If you're at a loss for where to put things or where to donate them, give me a call. Happy to help. So that is it. I'm just gonna scooch myself over here and if you have any questions about the market, please let me know. Never hesitate to reach out. I always have time to help you, your friends, or your families. And the real estate market can be a little bit daunting, but it is understandable with enough information. And we're always happy to help. So, Krystal Lee Lucier, your home sweet home 519 realtor. And I hope you have a great day.